Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be putting up a 16-foot driveway gate. This is going to be set 2 posts, 4 feet deep on that side, a little over 3 feet on this side. There's going to be a whole lot more outdoors content coming to this channel in the future. I'm going to be putting an automatic gate opener on this gate, but for now, stay tuned. We're going to dig the holes, set the post, and get this Tartar American-made gate put up. Thanks for watching. Not quite 2 feet yet. Some of these rocks, you can see this one I busted right in half. How big this thing is. The rocks I've been busting through. On that side, there's one where it kind of gets that red color. It's kind of like a clay. But there's a lot of rock down there. It's gonna be a struggle to get to 4 feet, but I'm gonna get there. So here's what I dug up. Here's what I've been running into, these rocks. Like this big's the problem. 4 foot, and that is the limit for that post hole digger. Right here, I've got where my post is gonna be set. And I got measured across. My driveway is 16 foot wide. Being all upper body and stuff, it really sends vibrations all the way up your arms whenever you hit a rock. So after digging that 4 feet deep over there last night, it took me about 6 hours. My hands vibrated all night long. It's like 3 feet, almost 4 inches. So almost 3.5 feet. Well guys, when the wheelbarrow sinks this deep with that much dirt on it, I guess I'm shoveling it over there. I'm gonna run this back just a little bit because I want to run the string about right here on the back side of my post. So I want to get this first one about there we go. Post right here is going to set right up against here, so I know both posts are not only level from side to side and front to back, the post is not twisted, and this is what this string, the purpose of it. Alrighty, so that's probably enough. Holes will be perfectly level with each other. So stepping back, that's where the gate's gonna be, where the string's at, and it looks pretty good. Boy, 350 pounds on the back of that four-wheeler. Still can't pick it up. Although it didn't want to steer. Things like a tank. Alright, got the truck over there. Got the pole ready to go into the ground. Got the concrete on the back of the four-wheeler. And got my level set up right there. Also got some 2x4s in the back of the truck. So I'm gonna screw down just to adjust the level. Got my string ready to go. I got it about perfect. Oh yeah. But this is a 48-inch level. I'm gonna flip this around right here. And as you can see, the bubble is absolutely perfect in there. And post level is too. Post level is perfect on this side as well. And it's perfect. It's probably going to be about 2 days because it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. We'll see. Plus I want to get my concrete. It says fast dry, 30 minutes, 24 hours till you can work with it. But I want to make sure they're good and set in there before I hang a 200-pound gate. That one's actually 70 pounds, but that might not be the actual gate that you see hanging here. And I'll show you why. Because make sure I don't hit my pole, even though that concrete's been set for a couple hours. So I did not want this type right here. I did not want the type that you screw in. I wanted the bolt type with the nut on both sides, and that allows you to adjust the gate so much easier. It's actually a better design. This is a cheaper gate with the right hinges, and I know that you can buy those hinges. They're $15 or $20 for the hinges, but then by the time you account the right hinges on the gate was $120, so $140. Plus, if I want to paint the gate the color that I want, it would be much easier just to buy the gate that already has the hinges and is the right color. So that eliminates double work. I won't have to paint it, and it's got the hinges that I want from the start. I think my foot swelled up. I couldn't hardly get it out. Oh. Right in my eyes. I just can't win. Got that tire off a little bit on that side. Here we go. Got the gate ready, backed up, right to its spot.